Hey guys, Troy Casey, Certified Health Nut. Today we are in West Hollywood working on more Breath is Life, hashtag ripped at 50, etc. I brought on my good friend, Ra of Earth. Ra's got his own breathing channel over there at Kriya of the Week. Feel free to check him out. We're gonna get down to some brass tacks. I got a lot of stuff that's going on. I don't like to claim it as anxiety because I know what that's like, but I got a lot of stuff going on and I'm looking to ground it today. And so Ra's the master, and so he's gonna bring us home with some good hardcore breath work for you world champions out there.
All right, so we're gonna do 3 things, 3 minutes each, and it's gonna have a lot to do with the brain. So we build up pressure with the breath in the brain. So you imagine sneezing, there's a pressure in the brain, and we're gonna start with kind of like a simulated sneeze, and it releases pressure in the brain. Troy's all day long, so that's the first thing I want to start with today. So I'm gonna put a timer for 3 minutes, and what's gonna happen is we're gonna take an inhale through the mouth, and then we're gonna sneeze through the nose. So we actually want that pressure through the nose. And we're gonna be there for 3 minutes. And we're gonna do a little breath hold at the end of 3 minutes, just a little one. Vacuum, massage the organs. We're gonna move on to another drill.
So reiterate, it's in through the mouth and then through the nose.
Yeah, like a sneeze though. Like actually pretend like you're sneezing through the nose.
Okay.
Oh, mouth. All right, let's get going. Getting high, keep going. "45 seconds. Big inhale, exhale, hold for 10 seconds. Massage the organs. Inhale. Relax. So what we're doing there, we're really clearing out both nostrils, clearing out both sides of the brain. We've got inhaling and exhaling forces.
It was hard to get that.
Super hard.
Like I wanted to blow and I was breathing in through the nose, and so a lot of focus on that one. Do you have any special guidance for the people? I'd actually like to do another round, see if I could perfect it.
We're doing something similar, but let's go for another minute.
Okay. Okay, so
the guidance is, it's part of it. Coordination with the bodysuit. Yeah, it's all about tuning our instruments. So we're inhaling through the mouth, O breath, and then it's an exhale, and it's happening here in the gut. I'll join in a second. Pull that gut in like you're sneezing. And the key is to clear both nostrils. Few more, really exhale hard through the nose. Hold the exhale. Inhale. So basic health comes down to nutrifying the cells, detoxifying the body. Our body does that on two different sides of the body. The left side of the body is where we take in, taking in oxygen, taking in prana. Right side of the body is where we excrete and expel. So this is both in subtle energies and physical energies such as air.
So we're gonna end that program for one video.
All right.
And you guys tune into the next, because we got a series coming with Ra of Earth. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the bell for the notifications. Follow us on Instagram, Ra of Earth, Certified Health Nut, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Next video builds on this video. Sayonara.
Oh God. I gotta do, well, you're doing good. You just